What's up everyone, doing a bit of a YouTube video here. Surprisingly today it's not a trading video. I'm actually coming on here and just showing that I made a dropshipping store through Shopify. And this is what I've been doing all day. I just kind of wanted to come on and show what I've been doing for the day and certain things I've set up on the website and obviously the products, etc. This is obviously the main menu here. Made a logo, have the cart functionality up there, different menu items here. Here's our products tab there in the main front page of the website. I decided to go with like formats as a product niche. It's a pretty cool idea, I thought, and why not, you know. This is the joys of Wi-Fi money. Literally can do this anywhere in the world. So here's the catalog menu. These are just some of the products I picked out so far that I thought were pretty interesting. So let's say you wanted the fuck the world mat. I have all different sizes here, various different ones there, different prices, etc. Add the cart functionality there, so here's some of them there. I set up obviously payment system and everything on the website as well. I have our contact menu here, the about us menu here. Privacy policy is just obviously about data, people's data and how I'm using it, etc. for the website. And the FAQ screen, so frequently asked questions for shipping and returns. I know it's a bit of a short video, I just wanted to really come on and just show what I've been up to. Kind of wanted to get into dropshipping for a while, just kind of, it's passive income at the end of the day, physically not holding any inventory. Yeah, obviously I'm not the only person out there that's doing it, but just wanted to come really and show what I've been up to. I think the website's looking pretty cool at the moment. And yeah, I've been busy for today and I think the website's looking pretty well. If you have any suggestions or overall just like the website, just let me know in the comments below. And if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, hope you enjoyed.